The Detroit, Toledo, Ironton caboose is on the back end of the train, the east end of the train here. They're backing down the old Pennsylvania right-of-way here in Lebanon. They're going to do a quick switching maneuver to keep the crossing from being blocked. On the back end here is the C&O caboose. These cabooses can be rented for private charters or birthday parties for around cost $200 if I'm correct, according to the railroad's website. As you can see, the cabooses are coming down here to this portion of the track, which is dead end. That track went eastward at one time. So here comes the caboose and the rest of the train consist. This caboose is also equipped with 2 truck horns, as seen below, right underneath the other staircase on the other side. See how far they'll go. And there you have it, folks. That's how this is how exactly a maneuver is done.